Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a quick, safe change. Set brightness to bright in video settings so the game uses maximum built-in exposure. Once done, close Minecraft and navigate to your Minecraft folder. On Windows, that's %appdata%/. Minecraft. Make a backup of options. TXT now. This prevents mistakes. You'll edit that file next to force full gamma, and having a backup means you can revert instantly. Make sure Minecraft is fully closed, so your edits will be saved and applied cleanly. Now edit options. TXT. Find the line that starts with gamma, and replace the value with a very large number, for example 100,000 or 1 million, then save. This forces the client to render environments at full brightness. Why it works is that Minecraft uses that gamma multiplier when drawing blocks, and huge values effectively eliminate darkness. Once saved, restart Minecraft to apply. If you can use commands instead, type /effect give it night vision 1,000,000 true for the same bright result without file. Final step, launch Minecraft and inspect dark areas. Caves and interiors should be fully lit. If you don't see a change, make sure options. TXT isn't flagged red only and that you edited the correct. Minecraft instance or profile folder, multi-account launchers store separate folders. Also confirm no resource pack or shader is overriding brightness. If you're on a server that resets settings, use the night vision effect or a splash potion instead. Troubleshooting tip: restore your backup and retry edits if values won't stick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.